This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the back button on your Motorola phone. So if you got one of these phones, it's very easy to turn this on. Just swipe down from the top right and then go to settings. Now under here, just type in gestures under search. So let's just type in gestures and then go to search. So GESTURES. Then go to search, and this should start searching for something. And if it doesn't, it might be called something different on your Motorola phone. It could be called 3-point navigation. But here it is. It's just taking a long time to load. It says gestures and haptic feedback. Home and lock screen, lock screen. So we could try going here. Now if it's not in this screen, we can go back. And we want to go to where it says on-screen gestures. So this is where we want to go. And then we got the 3-point navigation right here. Switch this from gestures over to 3-button navigation. And we should be good to go. This will add the home button, the back button to your Motorola phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.